Framer. Durable. Two powerful names in the world of website building, but which one actually stands out? On one side, we have Framer, known for its design, first, interactive sites. On the other, Durable, focused on getting your business online fast with AI-driven tools. We'll be putting them head-to-head in real-life scenarios: speed, ease of use, customizability, pricing, and support. Forget the marketing hype. Let's see how they really perform. Each round will give out points, so you'll know exactly who takes the crown. The final outcome might just surprise. You'll know exactly who takes the crown. The final outcome might just surprise you. Let's get into it. So here's what we're diving into: price, speed to website, design and customization, ecosystem and integrations, simplicity, SEO and business tools, whether developers are going to be happy, and of course, how smart their AI really is. Let's get into each one. Alright, first up, price. Framer lets you play around for free, but you only pay when you want to publish. That's actually kind of smart, especially if you're a perfectionist tweaking before going live. But it can get a little pricey if you've got a ton of projects, just something to keep in mind. Now Durable, man, they've got a free tier that's super generous, and their paid plans are pretty chill for small businesses. The catch? Some features, especially the juiciest AI stuff, are locked behind a paywall, and those add-ons do start to add up if you need them. But for most folks, Durable takes the win for value, and those add-ons do start to add up if you need them. Let's talk speed. How fast can you get your site out there? With Framer, you've got all these rapid prototyping tools and sweet templates, but you're still doing the design work yourself. Not exactly instant. Durable though? Honestly, blink and you've got a working website. The AI whips it up in like 60 seconds flat. It's basically minimal effort, maximum output. Sure, you do give up some creative control, but if you just want something online, Durable's the speed king here. On to design and customization, and here's where it gets spicy. Framer is literally a playground for designers. Seriously, you can get pixel perfect, toss in wild animations, and even bring stuff over from Figma with one click. The catch? Bit of a learning curve when you want to go all out. Durable, by comparison, is super straightforward, but you're locked into these preset themes, and honestly, there's just not that much to customize. So if you want your site to stand out and really feel like you, Framer's the one. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Durable's AI doesn't just build your site, it can whip up a business name for you out of thin air. Like, you get a name in your site in the same 60 seconds. Who saw that coming? Let's jump into integrations and the ecosystem. Framer's got all the plugs. Custom code, plugins, Figma, even decent CMS workflows if you need them. Some of those integrations, though, do require a paid tier. But Durable, surprisingly, holds its own for business appointment booking, payments, CRM, stuff that's just kind of ready to go. But if you want to go super deep with third-party plugins or advanced stuff, Framer edges ahead here. Alright, how simple is it really? Honest answer, Framer's made for people who know their way around a visual editor. Super WYSI but if you're not comfortable with design, it can be, intimidating. But Durable, press a button, put your info in, and that's basically it. You've got a live site. Anyone can handle that. If you just don't want to think about it, Durable keeps things way simpler. Now, SEO and business tools. Framer lets you edit all your meta tags and puts out super clean, fast code, but you have to set everything up by hand. No cutting corners. Durable swings in with built-in AI copywriting, plus marketing, and a CRM baked right in. It's all automatic, though to be fair, if you need hardcore SEO like you get with Webflow, it might not go deep enough. For most small businesses, Durable's the move here. Developer friends, listen up. Framer allows custom code blocks, real component logic, the works. If you want to nerd out and build something unique, it's got you. But only if you've got the chops. Durable, total no code. And while that's perfect for a lot of users, if you want to do any direct coding or custom logic, you're out of luck. Totally Framer's world here. And finally, AI superpowers. Framer has some helpful AI suggestions right inside the editor, so it'll nudge you with smart tweaks. But you're still designing that site yourself. Durable, though, really leans in. You fill out a few prompts and the AI just builds everything. Site, text, images, even future updates. It's actually kind of wild. Sure, you can't fully customize a super complicated brand, but for most people, Durable's AI is just way more hands-off. So let's step back. When you see all the categories on a single chart, Framer dominates where creativity or tech power matters. But Durable? It basically cleans up everywhere speed and simplicity rule. Here's where I land. If you're all about design, want something uniquely yours, or maybe you're building sites for clients, Framer is kind of a dream. But if you just want to get online fast without thinking about a single line of code, Durable is honestly unbeatable. It's really about what you want, creative freedom or speed and ease. Alright, if this battle helped you figure out your next move, let us know. And hey, subscribe if you want more head-to-head tech matchups that break it all down in plain English.